Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send large files on Telegram without compression. So first of all, you should go to Telegram, open it and go to your chats. So the thing that you should know that Telegram, as you are like a free user, they will give you the right to send files to up to 2 gigabytes of like size, which is like very large size for a file to send it. But if you want to send more, for example, I will show you like by sending a video. So to send it, you can send it easily and without any problem, like because the size of it is not up to 2 gigabytes. But if you want to send more, in that case, you have to subscribe to premium like account. And for Telegram Premium, it will give you like unlimited cloud storage. You can send 4 gigabytes per each document, and you have unlimited storage for your chats and media overall. So you can use that if you want. Like for sure, it's like larger than the free one. And also there is another solution and the other solution is to upload your files to any like cloud provider like Google Drive and send the link with Telegram, or also upload it to another like services that let you like Dropbox or other services, and after that you can send the link directly on Telegram. But like I told you, Telegram already give you like 2 gigabytes per file. So if you have pictures, you don't have to send them as one file, you can send them as multiple files. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the